Welcome back. Today's Christmas morning. First, I'm going to spend some time on that beautiful garden. Look at how gorgeous. It's a gorgeous day here. But first, let's go work on our prime rib, get her in the smoker. Come on, let's go. Okay, let's get this beautiful prime rib seasoned up and ready for the smoker. I'm just spraying some of my avocado oil on the outside so that all of the seasoning that I put on here will easily stick to the meat. We're gonna rub it in just a little bit as soon as we're done and getting it all oiled up. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this meat. I absolutely love prime rib. And I was so excited whenever my local market actually put it on sale. If you didn't see that video, I'll put it in the description. You gotta go watch it. As a matter of fact, go ahead and watch the whole playlist of Vlogmas. It was pretty fun, actually. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna get her all seasoned up. Okay, I'm using my really cool grinders that are ran by batteries. I don't have to twist. It's amazing. And look at that. It just goes right on. Pappies and salt and pepper. Amazing. Okay, now we're going to put the meat in the oven at 480 so it'll sear for 20 minutes. And here we go. Oh my gosh. Look at that meat. I think that searing went very well. So let's get it out of the oven and into the smoker. Okay, Tony's working on getting the smoker all up to temp while we wait. Get it. I think Daddy's got something more interesting going on, huh? Well, the garden is looking a little sad, but we're gonna get to this today. Christmas Day. But guess what? It's a gorgeous day. Oh, and check out the progress on the carrots. Oh my gosh, this was such an awesome Christmas morning gift. Look at all those carrots. It worked, you guys. It worked. Do you see them? Oh my gosh, so exciting. Couldn't be a better Christmas present. And of course, the turnips over there are going crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna have to thin those out pretty soon. But isn't that interesting? So remember, each level here was a different turnip seed, and it looks like the middle one is by far the best one, germinating anyway. So let's just see how this works out. Oh, and hello, good morning, you. Yes, you are still as gorgeous as ever. Oh, I need to spend some time soon on Nellie's carnations. Beautiful zinnias. Oh my goodness. I was going to take you out today, but I'm not sure now. Look at you. Snapdragons. Gorgeous. Watch out, Ritzy Roo. What's going on? What's going on? we're here, let's check on these strawberries. I was gonna poke holes in the bottoms of these because look at all that water, and I never did. Watch out, Ritzy. So let's just take a look at these and see if our little, oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, this is the ticket. So I'm gonna have to get these in the ground today if we have time. I think I might have time. So, oh my gosh, so exciting. But I do think I need to poke some holes. It's been raining and it is uber wet in there. This sunflower has no idea it's winter and it's not supposed to be growing. After all, it is a volunteer. Oh my goodness, look at you grow. I think we need to prune this plant as well. It's just a little overgrown. When it was raining, it was falling over. So, and look at all this new growth in here. You see those little babies? So amazing. So, if I have time, oh, there's another one. So amazing. That's so cool. So, it's so little. I can't tell how little it is. And over here. So, we'll see if we can make time to do that as well. Okay, the meat's in. Now we can go hang out in the garden. My happy place. Okay, it's time to get the potatoes ready and some other stuff, but these potatoes here that I do in my Epicure square silicone pot, they are amazing. So I just peeled these potatoes. I'm cutting them into large little chunks, and we're gonna put that in the microwave for 10 minutes. That's it. They come out super moist and soft, and I just add a little butter and cream and use my hamburger mincer, and yeah, we're good to go. Oh my gosh, the meat's ready. Check it out. Oh, wow. That looks so stinking yummy. Okay, now we're going to tent the meat and put it in the oven and let it rest for about 30 minutes while we finish up everything else for our meal. And here it is. Look at that amazing meat. We've got my prime ribs, some mushrooms sauteed, some mashed potatoes, gravy, broccoli, corn, and a slice of bread. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Thanks for hanging out with me for all of Vlogmas. We made it 25 days, and here we are right now. Make sure that you join my email list. It's a great way to keep in contact if that's what you want. If not, so be it. I also am giving away some cool stuff, but only to my email list. YouTube and comments and the word giveaway are a bad combination. I will never put you in a position to where your information is compromised. So you have to be on my email list. The other thing is Facebook group. It's brand new. It's a community where we're really having a blast sharing photos of our homesteads, of our gardens, and just being a community, sharing with one another. And that's what it's all about, isn't it? So again, I just want to say thanks. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for, getting to know me a little bit better. It's been a blast. I'll be coming to you every week. Here we go. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Get in the community and get on the email list, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.